Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and along with Dory at Dory's Dollies, we're bringing you today the challenge of Dolls Gone Goth, beads or bows. I was going to do something different, and then I noticed this girl on my doll shelf, and I really like her, so I wanted to show her off. I love this first Shadow High group of dolls. They are so cool. They went from white to black with grays in between. There were 6, including one boy, which I really like boy dolls. I made her this little outfit a while back, and it's, you know, it has a bow to clothes and a bow in her hair. I just wanted to, I don't know, show her off. These dolls are not getting enough attention. I made her these fishnet stockings out of children's fishnet stockings. And when I crammed her shoes on her, they got a little, let's say, bigger netting. And so I don't take those off. So that's my bows for today. Please go by Dory's and every single channel that's doing a Dolls Gone Goth today. If you have a video for Dolls Gone Goth, please let me know in my comments so that I can go by and watch. YouTube no longer does the algorithm the way that they used to. Thank you, Dory. This is so much fun, and I got to show my girl off again. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
She is a cute thing. I love that circle dress you made.
Oh, thank you.
And we had so much fun hunting them down, I remember.
Yeah,
when they first came out.
when the Shadow High first hit the market, yeah.
Yeah.